Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mirabel, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to hire a cheap Mirabel moving company, 3 Movers is the right option. We provide complete local and long-distance moving services for your needs. Our team will help with any type of residential or commercial move, no matter how far you need to go. We have helped students, homeowners, renters, business owners, and veterans relocate. When you hire our long-distance movers, you gain access to the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Whether your long-distance move will take you across the country or just 100 miles up the road, we can help. Our team will put you first when we take on your moving job. We know how to take the stress out of any relocation. Finding a Canada moving company to help you with your local move is important. With the right moving services, you can save a ton of time and avoid injury from the heavy lifting. 3 Movers will offer the best team for your local move. We know how to make sure you can move without all the headaches or stress. A move that might take you all weekend, we can do in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mirabel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.